Today, we're looking into the story of Colleen Stan, the woman famously known as the Girl in the Box, after surviving one of the most horrifying kidnapping cases in American history. What began as a simple hitchhiking trip turned into 7 years of captivity, torture, and psychological manipulation. Decades later, many people are still asking, where is Colleen Stan now? Let's find out. The nightmare began in 1977, when 20-year-old Colleen Stan was hitchhiking from Oregon to California. During the trip, she accepted a ride from a seemingly harmless couple, Cameron and Janice Hooker, who even had a baby with them, making them appear trustworthy. But shortly after getting into the vehicle, everything changed. Cameron Hooker kidnapped Colleen at knife point and took her to the couple's home in California, where she would be held captive for the next 7 years. During her captivity, Colleen endured horrific abuse. She was often locked inside a small coffin-like wooden box under the Hooker's bed for up to 23 hours a day. Prosecutors later revealed that she was repeatedly beaten, tortured, assaulted, and psychologically manipulated. Cameron convinced her that a secret organization called The Company would hunt down and kill her family if she ever tried to escape. Over time, the psychological control became so strong that Colleen feared leaving even when opportunities appeared. Finally, in 1984, Janice Hooker confessed the situation to a pastor, who urged her to help Colleen escape and go to authorities. Shortly afterward, Colleen regained her freedom, and Cameron Hooker was eventually convicted and sentenced to prison. So, where is Colleen Stan now? As of now, Colleen Stan lives in Northern California near the Red Bluff area and dedicates much of her time to helping victims and advocating against the parole of her kidnapper. Cameron Hooker, since escaping in 1984, she has rebuilt her life, has been married, is a grandmother, and continues to speak publicly about surviving trauma to offer hope to others. Over the years, she has worked to rebuild her life after surviving unimaginable trauma. She has occasionally shared her story through interviews, documentaries, and crime specials, helping raise awareness about psychological abuse, coercive control, and survival after trauma. Despite the horrors she endured, Colleen has spoken publicly about finding happiness again, rebuilding relationships, and appreciating the freedom she once feared she would never have again. She also reportedly spends time with her family and continues to stay mostly out of the public spotlight, except for occasional appearances related to her story. From surviving 7 years trapped in a box to rebuilding her life after unimaginable abuse, Colleen Stan's story remains one of the most extraordinary survival stories in true crime history. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.